Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1937 Ford Coupe. Very beautiful little car, especially for the fine wine and dining that she is. And of course you can see featuring the lovely gold exterior. Very interesting color to paint a car. Something you don't really see anymore. Most cars are painted black, silver, or very dull colors, but this one definitely shows its true beauty. Featuring with the chrome baby moon style wheels on it, having the white wall tires to give that really cool classic look. Other than that, going into the interior now, as you can see, they painted the dash the exact same color as the outside. Very impressive job. Adding a wooden grained wheel, aftermarket Pioneer system. As you can see, it is an automatic on the floor, definitely a plus. Other than that, they have added dolphin gauges where everything is accurate. Other than that, you also have a lovely feature of power windows. None of that old-fashioned cranking up and down, hoping to God it wouldn't get stuck. But other than that, you also have vintage air, which leads us to the underneath of, or the engine bay of this fine little ride, featuring a 302 V8 engine. Rides very smooth. Of course, right now we can give it a little bit of a brake test. Very lovely. Still has a good go in her. In fact, if we weren't hitting traffic right now, we'll try it anyway. As you can hear, the engine is shifting fine. There are no misfires, no spits, no clunks in transmission. Other than that, power steering feels great, excellent. Definitely nice for 1937. You could tell somebody truly loved and took care of this vehicle. And even now, coming from 40 miles an hour, we'll give it another brake test for you. Lovely little ride, very nice. For now though, we're just gonna get it turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned to see the underneath.